In today's video, we are going to show you how to place a trade on Plus500. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then inside the dashboard, I want you to hover on the left side and make sure you are on the trade panel. Now, Plus500 offers Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, indices, and commodities. For this example, I am going to use a Forex popular pair, which is going to be the Euro and USD. If you click on it, you will notice that the chart view is available at the bottom and it shows the time frame options, and you can also add some indicators at the bottom. But before placing a trade, it's important to analyze the chart. You can change all of these time frames and add indicators to help with your decision. Never enter a trade without a strategy. When you are ready, you can either click the buy if you think the price will go up, or sell if you think it will go down. Because if you do, a trade window will appear. On the screen, you can set your trade size. For example, we have something like this. This value determines how much exposure you're taking. Now you need to set the stop loss. This automatically closes your trade if the market moves against you. Then you set your take profit level. This locks in gains when your target price is reached. Always use the stop loss to protect your capital. All you have to do now, if everything looks good, click the buy button. But you want to make sure that you have enough balance for you to proceed. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to place a trade in Plus500. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.